Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. For my other videos, kindly refer to the links given in the description below. In the present video forms part 3rd of the series on bibliography in LaTeX. Now, we shall take up the bibliography entry types first. A bibliography entry can be article. This refers to an article from a journal or a magazine. Required fields are author names, title of the article, journal, year, and then optional fields are volume, number, pages, month, and note. Similarly, there are other entries possible. Booklet. Booklet means a small sized bound volume. In book means a part of the book. If you are going to refer to the entire book, use the entry type book. If you are going to use a part, few pages, a chapter of a book, use in book. Similarly, conference are otherwise called proceedings and in proceedings. And then manual, master thesis, PhD thesis, technical report, etc. If you have an item which does not fit into any of the above items, then use the entry type miscellaneous. At miscellaneous is the entry type. All these items refer to the published work. If you are going to use a reference of an unpublished work, you can use unpublished entry type in your bib file. Now, how to have BibTeX entries? We start with at symbol and then let us say article. This is for journal article. In the case of article, all of them can be in the lower case or all of them can be in the upper case or first character alone can be in the upper case. All of them are acceptable. Article followed by a pair of curly braces. And then here you have what is known as cite key, or I call it bib label, comma. This comma is important. Then the author names equal to curly braces, open close, and then again comma. This comma is again very important. Many people prefer to have double quotation marks in the place of opening curly brace and in the place of closing curly brace, but I prefer to use curly braces because if one of them is missing, it can be easily found out. Then you can say the surname of first author, then comma his initial, let us say, and then how to give the second author's name. Use the separator and with a space before and after, and then second author, his initials or some name, and then again a space and a space, author, third, and then his initials, etc. Again, give title of the paper, followed by comma, and then journal equal to open close, curly braces, open close, and then comma, let us say journal of chemical physics, volume equal to some number, random number I give, and then issue 3, pages equal to 04 n dash 1 to 23, comma, and then year equal to 2001, comma, note. What you give in note will not be available in your LaTeX files in the output, but this will be helpful for you to refer to this item later. This paper deals with structure factor of molten metals. Then if this is going to be the last field note, then you need not have comma. Even if you have comma, there is no problem. Remember, this curly brace must be matching. This is how you give one entry in the bib file. Remember, the extension of the file has to be bib. Similarly, I have given such entries in my file kali.bib. This is one of the files I used during my research. Again, suppose you say you have an abbreviation. You repeatedly come across Journal of Chemical Physics. Then you can say at string, then open curly brace, then JCP equal to, again, the expansion that you would like to have. Wherever you want to have Journal of Chemical Physics, you just give JCP. That's enough. Now, in your LaTeX file, let us say we have bibliography. The extension should not be given here. Simply give the name of the file, and then bibliography style is unsort. Compile LaTeX, PDF LaTeX, run bibtex, and then again run LaTeX, find the output. When you compile it for the first time, it is not available. Compile it once again, you will find, compile it once again, there is no output because we have not given any citation command. When you run the bibtex, it says, I found no citation command. What you can do is, you can say no cite star. Run LaTeX, run bibtex, again run LaTeX. You will find all the entries in the bib file are now available. There are 257 entries available. Now, in my case, I must confess that I am jealous of my younger friends. They have got a wonderful tool available to them called Google. Go to Google, search for Google Scholar, click Google Scholar. Here in the search field, type Kalidas, let us say Kalidas Jacobson. Then you find Kalidas Jacobson free length theory applied, etc. This also has got a symbol like this, double quotation mark. Click this. Then how to cite this particular paper in MLA format like this, APA format, Chicago format, Harvard format, Vancouver format. All of them are given here. In addition to that, click bibtex. Then you find all the bibtex entries available here. That way, I have copied some of the references in a new file called callinew.bib. That I will give here. Callinew here, unsort, compile it, run bibtech, again compile it. Then I have taken just 10 entries. Now let us concentrate on the first entry. You find here in the bibliography file, surname is given and then the initial or the first name. Kalidas is given first and then M. But in the output, you find the initial or first name is given here and then the surname and so on. Similarly for all the authors. Again, the journal title Fluid Phase Equilibria is automatically available as emphasized in italic font. 178 is a volume, 1N-2 is the issue number, colon, page number and then year. Now, these are the data available in this file. It is formatted according to unsort style file. Now, suppose you say plain, compile it, bibtech it, again compile it. You will find now the papers are arranged alphabetically as per the author's names. First here you will find Amorous and then this paper appears first. Again other items are available. Then let us say alpha. Run LaTeX, run bibtech, again LaTeX. You find for the same style file, for the same bib file, because of the new style file used alpha, instead of numbers here 1, 2, 3, etc., here you find here alphabetically arranged author names. A for Amorous, R for Ravi, K for Kalidas, 06 refers to the year of publication. And then run LaTeX, run bibtech, again LaTeX. You find the order is changed like this. Let us take a IEEE TR. Run LaTeX, run bibtech, again run LaTeX. You find now the article titles are available within double quotes and journal names are as before emphasized. This word VOL dot is added before the volume. Before the issue, NO dot is added. Before pages, PP dot is added automatically in all the cases. Then let us say I use Siam. Run LaTeX, run bibtech, again run LaTeX. You will find author names are available as small caps throughout. Look at this reference number 5. You have a long line, horizontal line. It indicates that fourth authors, author group in the fourth reference are to be repeated here. Same author group is available. Therefore, you have a long horizontal line. Now, if you want to use author year type citations and NatBib package, only difference is bibliography style file has to be unsort NAT. Remember to add this. Compile it, bibtech it, again compile it twice. You will get this as a list. remember the numbers are now gone. You have got only the files in the arranged according to author names. Suppose you give here instead of site T, you can say site T or site P, which I have explained in the previous video. Then this will be available in author year format automatically. All that you have to do is you have to struggle hard initially to prepare the bib file. Let us now consider the LaTeX file in which we have given site P command followed by bib label like this and like this. On compilation, you will find this as the output. Now, if you take this bib label, copy this. If you refer to my previous video, if you manually format bib labels like this, after bib item, we have to give within square brackets, option brackets, author names and year manually. With bib file, search for the same label. Here we are not giving any such thing. We use only bib label. However, in the output, we find here Kalidas and Ravi because in this reference there are two authors. Similarly, if we take the next case, take this bib label, go to the file in which we have manually formatted the bib items. Here in the option brackets we have given Kalidas et al. Because number of authors is more than 2. But if we refer to the bib file, search for this label, we have not made any such effort. We have not given in the option brackets author names and year. However, in the output, you will have automatically the word et al. Appearing if number of authors is greater than 2. Similarly, for other cases, if you consider the third case, Ravi et al. 2001, 1997, 2008, the years seem to be not in order. If you give here sort, automatically they will be in order. I strongly recommend that you use BibTeX method for using bibliography in LaTeX files. In that case, you can have any style file included here. I have already discussed the case of unsort, plain, alpha, siam, IEEE TAN, etc. If the journal suggests some other style file, use that style file here. Automatically your references will be formatted as per the journal style. I again strongly recommend that you go for BibTeX method of formatting references in your LaTeX file. Thank you. Thank you for watching.